Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can be installed on a mini PC using command line. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through each step. First, make sure the mini PC meets Yeastar's hardware requirements. Then, if your mini PC does not already run on Ubuntu, you will also need to install Ubuntu 24.04 on the mini PC before starting. First, download the Ubuntu 24.04 ISO image from the Yeastar official website. And next, write Ubuntu 24.04 image to a USB drive via tools like Rufus. In device, choose the USB drive. And in boot selection, click Select to confirm the ISO image. Then click Start. In the pop-up, choose Write in ISO image mode. And then, in the warning pop-up, click OK. When the status shows ready, it means the Ubuntu has been written on the USB successfully. Insert the USB drive into your mini PC, then power it on. And immediately press a key to enter the actual setup. If you don't know which key to press, please consult your mini PC provider or check based on your mini PC brand and model. Then go to Boot tab, set option #1 to USB drive. Then go to Save and Exit to save, change, and exit. Next, select Try to install Ubuntu server. Then you can continue to choose preferred installation language, keyboard layout, and installation type. Then select an active network interface, set it to Edit IP version 4, and the method to manual. Fill in your IP address and save. Then we can set up our proxy server as needed and click on Down. The installer will perform a mirror test. When it's complete, click on Down again. Now you can continue to set up the disk partition as needed. Then create a user account. For the next step, choose whether to enable Ubuntu Pro. It's not necessary for the PBX. If you don't want to enable, you can skip. Then select to install OpenSSH server. And you can also enable feature applications as you wish. None of them is required for the PBX. When it's all finished, click on Down. And reboot it now. When you see this prompt, remove the USB and press Enter to continue. Now you can start to install the P-Series Software Edition on the PC. Log in as the root user. Run sudo -i and enter the password of the user account so as to switch to root. Then you can run the display commands to check the nickname. If the nickname is correct as shown, proceed to install. If not, you can run this command and follow these steps to change it. Then you can run the display 3 commands in displayed order to install the PBX. The installation process will take a few minutes. When it's no longer running, press Enter. If you see the IPPBX login, it means that the installation is complete. By default, the PBX IP address is set to 192.168.5.150. If you need to change it, add the IPPBX login prompt, type support, and press Enter. Add password, type login PBX, or capitalize the Q, HCYAXS, capitalize the G, CYWYMG 2022. And next, type 1 to modify the network settings. Enter the new IP address subnet mask, and gateway. After entering the information, wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the PBX to apply the changes and restart the network service. Finally, open a web browser and enter the IPPBX IP address. From here, you can proceed with activation and system configuration. That was all about to install Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on a mini PC using command line. Hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to give it a try. Need more details? Visit yeastar.com and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.